Exploring Dubai's chocolate delicacies. Dubai offers a rich tapestry of chocolate experiences, blending traditional Middle Eastern flavors with modern confectionery techniques. Whether you're seeking unique local creations or international brands, Dubai's chocolate scene has something to delight every palate. Artisanal chocolate makers. Dubai is home to several artisanal chocolatiers who craft unique confections. Fixed Dessert Chocolatier, renowned for their innovative Can't Get Enough of It chocolate bar, which combines milk chocolate with a filling of pistachios and naf, a traditional Middle Eastern dessert. Al Nasma Chocolate, famed for producing camel milk chocolates, offering a distinctive taste that reflects the region's heritage. Luxury chocolate boutiques. For those seeking premium chocolate experiences, Dubai boasts several luxury boutiques, Foray and Gallant, a French chocolatier with a boutique in the Dubai Mall, known for their exquisite handcrafted chocolates. Pachi offers a wide range of luxury chocolates, blending Swiss expertise with Middle Eastern flavors. International chocolate brands. Dubai's cosmopolitan nature ensures the presence of renowned international chocolate brands. Godiva. This Belgian chocolatier has multiple outlets across Dubai, offering their signature truffles and chocolate-covered strawberries. Lindt. Known for their smooth and creamy chocolates, Lindt has a presence in various locations, including dedicated cafes. Where to purchase Dubai chocolates. You can find a variety of chocolates in Dubai through online retailers. Websites like Official Dubai Chocolate offer selections of popular local confections, local markets, and malls. The Dubai Mall and other shopping centers house numerous chocolate boutiques and stores. Considerations when purchasing. Authenticity. Ensure you're buying from reputable sources to avoid counterfeit products. Storage. Given Dubai's warm climate, proper storage is crucial to maintain the quality of chocolates. DIY Dubai chocolate experience. For culinary enthusiasts, recreating Dubai's famous chocolate treats at home can be a rewarding experience. Numerous recipes are available online, allowing you to experiment with flavors like pistachio, nafe, and tahini combined with rich chocolate. In conclusion, Dubai's chocolate offerings are as diverse and dynamic as the city itself. Whether indulging in locally crafted specialties or savoring international favorites, there's a chocolate experience waiting for you in Dubai.